Be ready and start. We are of the view that this issue is no more valid after the clarification given by the firm stop. These appeals are filed under section 10 of the Companies Act, 1956 within the permissible period of limitation stop. On the date of filing these appeals, Section 434 of the Companies Act, 2013 was not notified stop. In exercise of the power conferred under Section 419 of the Companies Act, 2013, the central government constituted National Company Law Tribunal and National Company Law Appellate Tribunal stop. On the same day, notification issued for transfer of pending matters or proceedings or cases before Company Law Board to National Company Law Tribunal stop. Section 434 came into effect from that day stop. As far as the appeals against the order of Company Law Board are concerned, any person aggrieved by any decision or order of the Company Law Board made before such date may file an appeal to the High Court within 60 days from the date of communication of the decision or order of the Company Law Board to him on any question of law arising out of such order stop. Learned counsel made a comparison of the operative portion of the CLB order or to be executed and the order passed in execution petition stop. He submitted that the declaration, relief granted and vesting of the property are behind and beyond the decree stop. Without following the procedures laid under Civil Procedure Code, the NCLT had passed the impugned order stop. NCLT had clearly stated that the properties of VR associates are to be kept as security and only in the event of remote need, the properties of VR associates are to be conveyed to Omega Solutions and 7.80 acres to Jan Brother and Company stop. Thus, it is very clear through the above observation of the tribunal that the property is to be held only as security and cannot to be conveyed unless there is remote need stop. While doing so, the NCLT investing the land to the owner of the property without any material or justification of remote need stop. The property is worth several times the principal amount decreed and interest thereon stop. The property held as security is greater in value than the money due stop. Therefore, this property cannot be conveyed stop. In the instant case, the Company Law Board gravely erred in not considering amount due and the value of the property conveyed which is held only as security stop and over. अगर आपको कोई भी वर्ड डिफ़िकल्ट लगे उसकी आउटलाइन के लिए या किसी भी तरह की कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए आप नीचे कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।